तो क्वेश्चन में कह रहा है a इज इक्वल्स टू सम थीटा विच बिलोंग्स माइनस पाई बाई टू टू पाई 3 plus 2i sin theta by 1 minus 2i sin theta is purely imaginary. So we have to find the number of elements and then sum it. So z is equals to, I'm letting z is 3 plus 2i sin theta by 1 minus 2i sin theta. Now rationalizing 3 plus 2i sin theta 1 square minus 2i sin theta square, and above will be 1 plus 2i sin theta. Cross multiplying, it will be 3 plus 6i sin theta plus 2i sin theta plus 4 sin square theta I square divided by 1 plus 4 sin square theta. Now it is given that we have to find purely imaginary. The purely imaginary के लिए what we will do is we will take the real part of the z and इसको equate कर देंगे 0. So doing that, the real part here is 3 minus 4 sin square theta minus, because this I square is minus 1, by 1 plus 4 sin square theta. This is 0. So sin square theta will come 3 by 4, which means sin theta is plus minus root 3 by 2. Now we know sine graph, which is like this. So here it is starting from minus pi to pi. This is minus pi by 2. So we need one point here is root 3 by 2, and below it is minus root 3 by 2. So we are getting 1, 2 and 3 solutions. So this one turns out to be minus pi by 3, this one is pi by 3, and this one is 2 pi by 3. So the solutions of theta are minus pi by 3, pi by 3 and 2 pi by 3. So summation will be 2 pi by 3. So option D is the correct answer.